In 2023, one unexpected banking crisis shook America's financial world. Millions of people suddenly began asking the same question: is my money really safe? Silicon Valley Bank wasn't just another bank. It was trusted by thousands of startups, investors, and growing businesses across the United States. When interest rates rose rapidly, the value of the bank's investments dropped. At first, very few people realized how serious the situation had become. Then, panic spread. Customers rushed to withdraw billions of dollars in just a few hours. It quickly became one of the largest bank runs in American history. The banks simply couldn't keep up with the massive number of withdrawals. Confidence disappeared faster than anyone expected. Families everywhere started wondering if their savings could be next. Fear spread far beyond a single bank. Soon, news channels across the country covered the story non-stop. Financial markets became increasingly nervous. Government officials and financial regulators immediately stepped in. Their goal was simple: restore confidence before panic spread even further. Fortunately, the crisis was largely contained. America's entire banking system did not collapse, but it became a powerful warning for everyone. The biggest lesson was clear: never rely on just one financial institution. Diversification matters. Emergency actions helped stabilize the financial system,